In the figure given below, angle X and angle Y. So two straight lines cut by a third line, X and Y. Okay. We are not being told that these two lines are parallel. We're not being told they are not parallel. These are just two lines, a system of lines cut by a transversal. And we're not being asked to find X or Y. We just want to know the terminology, X and Y. They're both above these two lines. When cut by the transversal, they're made above the lines. They're the same side. They are corresponding angles. If the two lines were parallel, then corresponding angles would be equal. If corresponding angles were equal, then the lines would be parallel. It works both way around. Right? Just terminology wise, parallel lines cut by a transversal. These two are corresponding angles. These two should be equal. Right? Two lines cut by a transversal. This and this. 1 and 2 are corresponding angles. 1 and 2 are corresponding angles. 2 and 3 are alternate interior angles. 1 and 4 are alternate exterior angles. 3 and 5 are co-interior angles. You should know this terminology. In this case, X and Y are corresponding angles.